Hey everyone, welcome back to SouthDelhiFloors Property Vlogs. I am 𝗕𝗏𝗵 𝗘𝗁𝗂𝗃. Happy New Year to everyone. And today we are back with another video. This is a 300 square yards first floor in GK-1 E block. It's a 4 bedrooms builder floor apartment by a very good builder of South Delhi and has a separate driveway for 3 car parking. It has a loaded kitchen, all luxury interiors and branded bathroom fittings. So let's start the video tour. It is located on a very peaceful road, has a very modern elevation, and it's a northeast facing, so it's a Vastu compliant property. And this is the beautiful stilled car parking with a separate driveway for 3 car parkings only for the first floor. It's a future ready property and the driveway also has a charging point if you're considering to buy an electric vehicle. A very spacious drawing and dining that has ample of natural light and very well cross ventilated. This is the spacious front balcony. All rooms has Daikin AC pre-installed. This is the dining cum family lounge and that also has additional home office area. A very spacious first bedroom with a balcony attached. All the bedrooms are fitted with dedicated USB plug points. A luxury bathroom with best-in-class fittings, a stylish mirror and a designer vanity. It's a fully loaded modern kitchen with pre-installed chimney, hob, RO, an IGL connection and an air conditioner installed. It also has a separate mandir or prayer room. This is the second bedroom. Every bedroom has best-in-class wardrobe. And a very stylish bathroom attached with it. This is the third bedroom of this super luxury builder floor apartment. Very modern false ceiling and needless to say every room has Italian marble flooring. Another wow bathroom attached with the third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom with amazing interior detailing and attached balcony. And a very good sized bathroom with walk-in closet. Now some amazing facts about this floor. It has 25% land share, there is no basement in the building. There's a park nearby and it also has a completion certificate. For pricing and site visit queries, just call 9999004511. Thank you. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe SouthDelhiFloors for many more luxury properties like this.